Looking for ways to show your love without emptying your wallet? You've come to the right place. We've all been there. You want to do something special for your significant other, but your bank account is giving you the side eye. Well, fear not, lovebirds, because in this video, I'm going to share 12 romantic gestures that are easy on the wallet, but big on love. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification button for more heartwarming ideas. Remember the days before texting when we used to pour our hearts out on paper? Yeah, those were the days. And you know what? Handwritten notes are making a comeback. There's something so personal and intimate about seeing your loved one's handwriting, especially when it's filled with words of affection. It's like a little love letter you can hold in your hand. Imagine your partner's face when they find a sweet note tucked into their wallet or lunch bag. Trust me, this one's a surefire winner. They say breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so why not make it extra special for your sweetheart? Imagine waking up to the aroma of freshly brewed coffee, the sight of a beautifully arranged tray, and the warmth of a cozy blanket. Now, I'm not talking about whipping up a gourmet feast here. Unless you're into that sort of thing, then go for it. A simple yet thoughtful breakfast can be just as delightful. But even something as simple as a piece of toast with their favorite jam can make a world of difference. It's the little touches that show you care. Or how about a bowl of cereal with a heart drawn in the milk? It's a small gesture, but it can really brighten their morning and set a positive tone for the day ahead. Taking the time to prepare something special, no matter how simple, shows your partner that you value and appreciate them. Plus, who doesn't love being pampered a little? It's a wonderful way to start the day feeling loved and cherished. Remember those romantic walks on the beach in movies? Well, they don't have to be just a figment of Hollywood's imagination. Taking a leisurely stroll after dinner is a wonderful way to connect with your partner and get some fresh air at the same time. Leave your phones at home and just enjoy each other's company. Talk about your day, share your dreams, or just hold hands and soak in the scenery. It's amazing how much closer you can feel after just a few minutes of walking side by side. Remember mixtapes? Those carefully curated cassettes filled with songs that reminded you of your crush? They were more than just a collection of tracks. They were a heartfelt message, a way to express emotions that words sometimes couldn't capture. Well, in the digital age, they've evolved into playlists, but the sentiment remains the same. Creating a playlist of songs that are meaningful to you and your partner is like creating a soundtrack for your love story. Include songs that remind you of special moments you've shared, like your first date, your first kiss, or that unforgettable road trip. Songs that make you want to dance together, whether it's a slow dance in the living room or a spontaneous dance-off in the kitchen. And songs that just make your heart sing. Those tracks that bring a smile to your face and warmth to your heart every time you hear them. A playlist can be a living, breathing entity, growing and evolving as your relationship does. So take the time to create a playlist of your love songs. It's a simple yet profound way to celebrate your love, one song at a time. Actions speak louder than words, or so they say. And what better way to show your love than by offering a helping hand? Whether your partner is struggling with a work project, feeling overwhelmed with chores, or simply needs someone to run an errand for them, stepping up and offering your assistance shows that you care about them and want to make their life a little easier. It's amazing how much a simple gesture for you can mean wonders for your partner. It shows compassion and understanding. It's a gesture that speaks volumes about your love and commitment. So be aware of the situation and jump at the opportunity of helping your partner. Another way to have a romantic gesture without spending a ton of money is to reach for the stars. There's something incredibly romantic about gazing up at a sky full of stars. The peacefulness of just looking at the sky and trying to find your constellation can be very soothing. It makes you feel small and insignificant in the grand scheme of things, yet somehow connected to something much larger than yourselves. Find a spot away from city lights, spread out a blanket, and lie down with your partner hand in hand and just marvel at the beauty above. Talk about your dreams, share your fears, or just enjoy the silence together. It's a moment you'll both cherish. In this age of instant messaging and fleeting social media posts, take the time to create something truly personal and lasting. A video message for your loved one. It doesn't have to be fancy or professionally produced. Just grab your phone or laptop and speak from the heart. Tell them how much they mean to you, share a favorite memory, or simply tell them what you love most about them. It's a heartfelt gesture that they can watch again and again, and it's sure to bring a smile to their face. They say the way to a person's heart is through their stomach, and I couldn't agree more. Cooking a meal together is a fun and intimate way to connect with your partner and create something delicious together. Choose a recipe that you'll both enjoy, put on some music, and get cooking. Don't worry about making a mess. That's part of the fun. The most important thing is to enjoy the process and each other's company. Who needs a crowded, overpriced movie theater when you can create a cozy and romantic movie night at home? Choose a movie you'll both enjoy. Bonus points if it's a classic romantic comedy. Pop some popcorn, snuggle up on the couch with blankets and pillows, and hit play. You can even pause the movie for impromptu dance breaks or makeout sessions. No judgment here. The point is to spend quality time together and enjoy each other's company. And if you would rather have a spa day, why not do it yourself? Who needs a fancy spa when you can create a relaxing and rejuvenating experience right at home? Draw a warm bath, light some candles, put on some soothing music, and get ready to pamper yourselves. Give each other massages, try out homemade face masks, or simply relax in the tub with a good book. It's a budget-friendly way to de-stress and reconnect with your partner. You can also spend the night creating a memory jar. Creating a memory jar is a beautiful and tangible way to document your love story and all the special moments you share together. Find a jar you love, decorate it together, and place it somewhere you'll see it often. Then, whenever something special happens, write it down on a slip of paper and drop it in the jar. Over time, you'll create a treasure trove of memories that you can look back on and cherish for years to come. You can personalize your memory jar with stickers, ribbons, or even paint it in your favorite colors. Place the jar somewhere prominent, like a shelf in your living room or your bedside table, so it's always within sight. This constant visual reminder will encourage you to keep adding to it and make it a regular part of your life. Over the years, as the jar fills up, it becomes a time capsule of your relationship. Love coupons are a fun and creative way to show your partner how much you care and give them something to look forward to. Get some colorful paper, markers, and stickers, and let your imagination run wild. Create coupons for things like breakfast in bed, a back massage, a night out of their choice, or anything else you know they'd enjoy. You can make them redeemable immediately, or set an expiration date for some added anticipation. It's a thoughtful and playful way to inject some excitement into your relationship. So there you have it, 12 romantic gestures that won't break the bank. Remember, it's not about how much money you spend, but about the thought and effort you put into showing your love. Comment your experiences below, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell button. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, check the ones on your screen right now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time, here at the Academy of Love.